Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to restart Firestick Remote. Let's go. Remove the batteries from the remote control. Disconnect Firestick from the power supply and connect the Firestick to the power supply. Install the batteries in the remote control. Hold down the Home button. Release when the remote control flashes blue. That's it. Now you know how to restart Firestick Remote. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.